What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage Man. We are back with another video, man. Today, you guys should already know what's inside of the package. These things were super hype last year. This entire model of this sneaker was super hype. It was crazy. It was impossible to get a pair of these sneakers all of 2020. And it seems like, you know, they about to be bringing some more dope colorways of this silhouette. It's gonna be very hard to get as well. Like I said, a bunch more live cops and all that good stuff coming. But right now, if you're new, I need you guys to hit that subscribe button. When I grind to 50,000 subscribers, help me out, man. Hit the like button, share this with a friend, and the likes go a long way. Trust me, believe me, the like shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. You know, this get recommended to other people that love sneakers as well. So right now, do me a favor and hit that like button, man. Also, head over to Instagram, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. Be linked down below in the description box. I might be a little bit better at posting some fit drip photos over there. More lookbooks on the channel coming very soon. So like I said, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of the content that drops on the channel, man. And if you don't mind, man, please head to the gaming channel. We are less than 80 subscribers away from hitting 1,000 subs on the gaming channel. That will be linked down below. If you want to come over to the second channel, chop it up with your boy when I'm streaming over there, please go subscribe to the gaming channel, man. And with all that out the way, let's jump right into this unboxing from the Nike SNKRS app, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, let's get right into the package. Not too much talking need to be said with these. You guys were watching a live cop. When I hit on these, I was super amazed. And it was crazy. I was like, yo, can I please hit on one? Let me hit on one pair of these sneakers this year. And I have finally did it at the end of the year. I think it was literally like the 28th or the 29th. I forget the date. I think it was right before Christmas or like right after Christmas when we did a lockout for these things. And yeah, your boy hit on these joints on the Nike SNKRS app. And I was telling you guys to make a new account. You know, you ain't taking no W's on Nike SNKRS account. Make a whole new account so you can get lucky on hitting on something. And I had logged back into my old account, and I've been taking nothing but big W's, man. Big dubs, you feel me? So let's get into it, and then checking out the box. Okay, I did not know it came in this box right here. Maybe this is, okay, I know why it didn't come in this box. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out. You guys see it, y'all probably like, yo, what did he cop? Did he cop a pair of Hirachis or some bullshit? No, your boy copped a pair of Dunks, and these are, let me see, what does it say on the size label? Okay, so it says Nike Dunk High, Bodega, Fauna Brown, multicolor, and rustic. These retail for 120 bucks. Check that out right there. And the reason why I was kind of confused is because this is not an SB. I have a pair of SBs in the collection, which I'm gonna grab in just a second, and they come in an orange box, and I actually have the orange box Dunks. So here you have it. The regular Dunks, I guess, come in this box right here. I'm not too crazy on the Dunks, but when I'm able, you know what I'm saying, to get a W on a pair of Dunks, I'm definitely gonna bring it to the collection and keep it, you know, and get some dope fits out of it, man. So let's go ahead and pull these things out of the box. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Nike up top, and on the paper, it says Nike and Bodega all over it, as you guys can see right there. Some nice touches, you know, some different things that, you know, usually don't see. This Bodega and Dunk or Nike collaboration. I really want at least one pair, and I want one pair of Dunks, and here we have it, bro. Check them out. Check them out. Nike Bodega Dunks. And these right here remind me of the pair of 9s. I forget what Jordan brand called those 9s, but they had kind of had like the baseball glove on the back. Maybe it was the glove 9s. I'm not too sure, but it kind of had a brown pair, or it had a brown pair and had a black pair separately for that pack or whatever. And these Dunks right here really remind me of those Air Jordan 9s that we got, I think it was a couple years back, man. So let's go ahead and pull the other sneaker out real quick. Check it out. And the leather quality on these guys is ridiculous, man. Like some straight, I don't know what kind of leather this is, but it's top-notch premium material on these. Even on the suede on the sides, it's a nice thick suede. And even with like the little touches for, you know, like the glove or whatever they want to mock for the sneaker, I'm pretty sure it's like a baseball glove or something. Not too big on the Bodega merch or Bodega, you know, brand. Like I said, for me, if I think something is dope, I'm not really going after it for, you know, the history, I guess, or the meaning. I'm actually going for it, you know, because it's a dope sneaker. And these right here, I must say, are very nice. You guys let me know how you feel about these joints down below in the comment section. So we're gonna break these joints down real quick. Also inside of the box, you get like a flag, I guess you could say, or a bandana or something. And on it, it says, let's see, Nike Bodega. And then on the middle, it has Nike. Oh, I got it backwards, my bad. So it says Nike Bodega. But then which way do you read this shit? Goddamn. Okay, so it says Bodega Nike, has a rose in the middle. It says 2006 and 1972 on the front of it right there, as you guys can see. Like I said, I'm not too big of a Bodega, you know, historian. I don't know nothing about them. So all this stuff right here, all the different touches and stuff like that are really catching me by surprise, and that's kind of good, you know. When they do dope collaborations, it makes you, you know, want to go and check out what Bodega is, what they do, what all different merch they have, because, you know, you might want to go and cop other stuff from that brand they collab with. Just like the Air Jordan 1 J Balvin's, I knew nothing about J Balvin, just being honest. But with him touching up with the Jordan 1, it made me, you know, want to go check him out. Heard a couple of songs from him. Don't know what he was saying, honestly. But, you know, just him bringing his vibes over to a Jordan 1, you know, made me, you know, respect him a little bit more and respect the sneaker itself a lot more as well. So get some white tissue paper. And, yeah, that's pretty much it inside of the box. But here they go. Nike Bodega Dunks. And on the inner of these, which I wanted to point out, I didn't really see it on the pictures, but when you get them in hand, you clearly see that it says Bodega on the inner of these dunks right here. And like I said, it's my first pair of dunk highs. It really, you know, mocks the Air Jordan 1. Same with the dunk lows. They actually have the same outsole track pad or whatever you want to say as the Air Jordan 1. So I went ahead and grabbed my first pair of dunks in the collection right here. As you can see, it reads, let me see, Nike Dunk Low Premium SB. Safety orange, white, cream. I got these in the size 9 back in 2016, I believe. My first pair, and the hype was like non-existent. I got these super easy on the sneakers app, but now that hype is starting to pick up. And I just wanted to show you guys my other pair of dunks that I got besides these Bodegas right here. Super crazy. I always bring these out, you know, so people can see that have liked dunks. It's not like, you know, if I didn't like them, I would have sold them out of collection super easy. But these are super fire. You guys let me know how you feel about these down below. My only pair of SBs in the collection, man. I miss you guys with a bunch of B-roll for this sneaker right here, just because I feel like the sneaker sometimes does all the talking, if that makes sense. I don't gotta sit here and harp on every single detail because it's a pretty bold sneaker, even with the jewel Nike swoosh on the outer. I don't know if that's like a cheetah print, but this right here, I don't know if this even resembles an animal. I think it's just some dope colorway they put in there. It might even be some fire on the inside of this jewel Nike swoosh. I really see the resale value rising in the near future. I don't think it's a lot of dunks that's going under $300. So these right here, very dope. You guys let me know how you feel them down below. If you want to get a full in-depth review, a full on feet, I will drop that. Let's get this video up right here to 300 likes, and your boy will drop that joint. Or I might just drop it anyways. But please hit the like button if you ain't hit it already. Please let me know down below in the comment section if you were able to hit on these joints. Like I said, I was super excited when I hit on the live cop. I kind of didn't expect me to hit on these. I thought I hit on the $500 Air Jordan 11 Adapts, which I really do want to bring to the collection. That's a sneaker I really want. That's a really different sneaker. You guys know I love getting the different stuff, different touches. Just like these Bodega Dunks, super different. Not a lot of people are gonna throw these on feet. I actually haven't seen any reviews on feet on YouTube. Like I said, I'm really interested in dropping their own feet just for the vintage squad, man. I appreciate all of support. Thank you guys for pulling up. Let me know how you feel about this sneaker, man. Do you think this is worth $500? Me personally, I don't know if I would spend $500. I got it for 120 bucks. You cannot beat that. So why not add it to the collection? I definitely will go spend that resale value, like I said, man. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Ring notification bell right now for your boys so you never miss any other video. We're supposed to drop that early unboxing today, but USPS, FedEx, all have been tweaking. All my packages have been delayed. We literally have 3 early unboxings that I'm supposed to do on the channel, and we just waiting on these different shipping carriers. So please stay tuned. Please hit the notification bell, and please still support your boy through this crazy time. We got COVID, and now we got the holiday shipment delays, man. So I'm gonna still drop this content for you guys. I appreciate everybody pulling up. Please hit that like button right now for your boy. Head over to Instagram, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. You guys already know where to find it, down below in the description box. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.